So viewers, the era of unbridled powers for Waqf Board is over. The Waqf Amendment Bill 2025 has been passed in the Rajya Sabha a day after being given the go-ahead by the lower house. After over 27 hours of collective debate in both the houses, the reformative push by the NDA government got 128 votes in support and 95 people voting against it. Let's get you breaking updates now coming in. So the Waqf bill has been passed in the Rajya Sabha with the 128 MPs voting in favour. Like the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha session also went on till late in the night. And finally, the Waqf bill has had its passage in the Rajya Sabha.
Shri Kiran Rijiju ji to move that the bill be passed.
Sir, I move that the bill be passed.
Motion moved that the bill be passed. The question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The bill is passed.
Let's go across to my colleagues joining us this morning. Shweta, Niyamika and Arpita are joining us. A very good morning to you, Shweta. For several hours now, it has been debated in the Lok Sabha, but we saw some fear-mongering there as well. Some going on to say that the minorities of the country will not accept this rule. Some going on to say that protests will take place on the streets as well. What are the reactions you're picking up and what can be expected today now that the bill has been passed in the Rajya Sabha as well?
Well, that's absolutely right. In fact, this is the significant development as far as the Waqf bill is concerned. Now, we understand that after Lok Sabha, now it's passed in Rajya Sabha as well. But from ground, from Mumbai, especially from Malad being a communal sensitive area, we have been picking up a kind of mixed response wherein some people are in total favor of it and some people are stringently opposing it. We have few people to talk and they have to notion their views out. Sir, I'll come to you first. आपको क्या लग रहा है ये जिस तरीके से वक्फ अमेंडमेंट बिल पास हुआ है ये कितना बड़ा फैसला है?
मैडम ये सबसे बड़ा फैसला है क्योंकि आप जानते हैं कि हमारी कितने सालों से वक्फ बोर्ड कहीं भी कोई भी जगह होती थी उसे कब्जा कर लेता था। सिर्फ उसके नाम पे उनको 1995 लॉ लाया ही इसीलिए गया था। ऐसा लगता है कि हिंदुओं की बर्बादी के लिए था ये बिल, ऐसा हमें लगता है। बिल आप समझिए जैसे सामने आप मेट्रो देख रहे हैं, ये सामने आपके घर देख रहे हैं, कल वक्फ बोर्ड इसके ऊपर भी आपके ऊपर आके कब्जा कर सकता है कि हमारे आपको डॉक्यूमेंटेशन लेने का ऑप्शन ही नहीं था। मगर जो इस आर्टिकल 40 जिसमें हटाया गया है उसके बाद में अब ऐसा है कि अब अपनी जमीन बचा सकते हैं और ये एक ऐतिहासिक फैसला है। मोदी सरकार का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, उन्होंने इसको
ये आप इसके फेवर में। आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे, वी ऑल आर लिविंग इन मलाड एरिया एंड वी हैव सीन हाउ you know it is a sensitive place, but as far as Waqf Amendment Bill is concerned, what are your primary concerns and how do you support or don't support the bill?
नहीं, हम तो बिल्कुल सपोर्ट करेंगे। पहले तो मोदी जी अमित शाह को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हम इसका इंतज़ार पता नहीं कितने सालों से कर रहे थे। एक पल के लिए तो ऐसा लगा था हम जिस सोसाइटी में रहते कल को वक्फ बोर्ड आके बोले कि आपकी ये सोसाइटी भी हमारे अंडर है तो हम क्या करें, हमारे बच्चों का फ्यूचर क्या। वो तो कहीं भी क्लेम कर देते, रेलवे स्टेशन की पटरियों पे मजार बना, कहीं भी वो क्लेम करते। उनके लिए ये बिल लाना बहुत जरूरी था। ये जितने भी इलीगल इनरोचमेंट ये लोग करते हैं हर जगह, उसको कहीं ना कहीं रोकना।
This was a kind of needed measure which had to be taken is what we are picking up from ground. But having said that, we have also heard several voices from Raza Academy as well, those who plainly rejected this entire Waqf Amendment Bill. We got several reports from there, and even today there are so many imam, there are so many maulanas speaking against it. But here we are getting to learn mixed response from people, especially from Malad, where we are seeing that few people are opposing the bill and some people are supporting it.
Some have said that they are opposing the bill. Protests are also expected. There are many who have also welcomed it and have said that this is the need of the hour. In fact, while